Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make these delicious date cookies. Starting off, you're going to want 500 grams of all-purpose plain white flour, 250 grams of vegan butter, date spread, half a cup, you just soak some dates and blend them up, half a cup of water, 7 grams of baking powder, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. To a mixing bowl, add in your flour, your water, your baking powder, and the cinnamon, and the butter. Knead it till it's nice and stiff. You can use your hands, I'm feeling lazy. Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, do me a massive favour, hit that subscribe button, it will take you 2 seconds. Now I've got a nice little ball there, splitting that into 3 separate balls, wrapping them up in cling film and putting them in the fridge. After about an hour or so, I'm just going to dust my surface. I'm going to roll that out flat. Now you don't really have to get a perfect square, I chose to. I'm going to take the date spread and I'm literally just going to spread it. Make sure you've got it nice and covered all around. Very simple, just roll it up. Now once you've got your rolls, you're going to bake those on 180 degrees C for about 20 minutes. And once they're nice and stiff, just cut them into slices and sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. That's pretty much it, guys. Very, very easy to make. Folks, if you enjoy vegan recipes from all around the world, desserts, mains, whatever it is you're looking for, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now. Love you all. See you on the next one.